So let us first create this map utils class. So map utils dot underscore first bracket, then we can write static void launch map from source to destination, and we can pass source lat and source longitude, then destination lat and destination longitude. And now we can write final URI equals to URI scheme google.navigation, and we need to import URL launcher. So let's go to our pub spec and hit pubget. So it finished building. So now we can manually import our URL launcher. So package URL launcher dart, and then we can write query parameters q destination latitude and destination longitude. Okay, we have to use small u. I mistakenly wrote capital U. So now after this we can add if await can launch URL URI, then await launch URL URI, and else print an error occurred. So now go to our parcel picking screen, and here I can write on our gesture detector map utils dot launch from source to destination. We can pass the source, so if we need that we can use it later on, but we only need destination and destination latitude and longitude only. So we can pass seller lat and seller longitude. So now if we click here, nothing is happening, but let's run our app. So we actually change the status of our parcel, so we can no longer see in it in our new available orders, so it will be in the in progress. So we can do that. So let's add a new dart file called parcel underscore in progress underscore screen. So import material.dart, then stateful widget parcel in progress screen, and here we can copy everything from new order screen. So let's copy this scaffold and paste it in our parcel in progress screen. So we can import this and change it to parcel in progress, and import cloud firestore and assistant methods, and then finally order cart and global.dart. So now we need to change few things. So here order is fine, and we can change this to rider uid equal to shared preferences dot get string uid, and then here we can write dot where status is equal to picking. Our future builder should be same. We can actually remove this line, we don't need this one, and everything else is fine. So now from home screen we can go to parcel in progress screen. So we need to import this progress bar, and that's it. Now if we go here, let's run our app again. So go to parcels in progress, we don't see anything, so let's check our status. So this is our database. So orders is success to true, rider name, status is delivering. So it's not picking anymore, so it's delivering. So that's why we can't see in parcels progress screen, but we can make not yet delivered screen. So let's make that. So let's create a dart file called not underscore yet delivered underscore screen. So import material.dart, then stateful widget not yet delivered screen, and then we can copy everything from our parcel in progress screen and paste it here. Again we need to change few things, and instead of parcel in progress we can write to be delivered. To be delivered. Then import cloud firestore assistant methods order card global.card global.dart and progress bar, and instead of picking we can write delivery. And in our home screen we need to add this, so let's write not yet delivered screen. So when we click here we don't see anything, and that's because, let's see. So we don't see our stateful widget, and why is that? Let me check. So everything is 0, so instead of 0 we need to, in our home screen we did a mistake, so instead of all 0 we need to fix that, and instead of assignment we can change the icons to shuttle. So airport shuttle parcel in progress, and this one to location underscore history, then earnings should be cash or money, and then history should be history or done. We have other icons as well, so done all, and then this one should be log out. Now if we click here we see our items and confirm to deliver parcel, and when we click here an error occurred. That is because Google navigation is null, component name for okay. So let's see in our map util screen. So query parameter q, okay, everything seems fine. but we get this error. We can fix that later on, but now we can fix our parcel delivering screen. So we will work on this screen in the next video. So for some reason we are getting error with the map, so we can fix it later, but now what we are going to do is we are going to edit our parcel delivering screen. So here we can write show delivery drop off location. So let's click here. We can see delivery drop off location, and instead of order has been paid, you can write order has been delivered. So we need to create another function, so let's create that. Before that, we're going to add a variable of string type called order total amount, then confirm parcel has been delivered function. So get order id, seller id, purchaser id, purchaser address, and then purchaser latitude and purchaser longitude lng. So that's it. Now we can write string rider new total earning amount equals to double dot parse previous rider earnings plus double dot parse parcel delivery charge amount per parcel delivery charge. So double dot parse, I think we need to add another first bracket and then parcel delivery charge dot to string. Okay, so here is the issue. We need to add bracket here, so then we can add to string. So after that we can write, we can copy from our parcel picking screen. Let's remove this for now. So let's copy this and paste it here. So instead, this one is fine. Let's import Cloud Firestore. So status should be ended, then complete address, position, latitude, everything is fine. Then we can add earnings per parcel, parcel delivery charge, dot, then we can write firebase firestore dot instance dot collection riders dot doc shared preferences dot get string uid dot update add second bracket add semicolon, then we can write earnings rider new total amount, and after this we can add dot, then we can copy this and paste it here. So instead of rider we are going to write sellers, and then instead of uid we can write widget dot seller id dot update earnings should be double dot parse order total amount plus double dot parse previous seller's earnings dot toString, and after this we can add dot, then again we can write firebase firestore dot instance dot collection users dot doc purchaser id dot collection orders dot doc document get order id dot update, and here we can write status ended and rider uid shared preferences dot get string uid, then we can add we can add splash screen. So that's it, and we can add another function called get order total amount and get seller data. So get order total amount, so get order total amount firebase firestore dot instance dot collection orders dot doc widget dot get order id dot get dot then snap order total amount equals to snap dot data total amount dot toString, then widget dot seller id equals to snap dot data seller uid dot toString, and then after this we can write dot then we can add another function called get seller data, and here you can write get seller data. I think we already wrote this function here, so we can copy this and paste it here. So instead of seller latitude and longitude, we are going to get previous seller earnings equals to snap dot, sorry, not here, or no, we have to name this snap, and widget dot seller id dot get dot then earnings equals to snap dot data earnings dot toString. So that's it. Now we can call init state, and here we can write user location equals to user. We can actually put it in our global.dart, but it's okay, we already implemented it. So then we can write get order total amount. So that's it. Now in our just editor we can write map utils dot launch, okay, and we can write position dot latitude, then position dot longitude, widget dot purchaser latitude, and widget dot purchaser longitude. And in our elevated button we can write confirmed parcel has been delivered. So let's write one by one. This, sorry, widget dot get order id, widget dot seller id. We can just copy this part and paste it here. And that's it. Now we can open our database and we can click order has been delivered. So we are getting error. So double dot parse invalid double. So previous rider earnings, we have to give it 0, I guess. So let's make it 0.0 and 0.0. So we are still getting error. Why is that? Okay, so we don't need to make it 0, we can keep it empty. And let's run our app again, and not yet delivered. We can see our items, item, order has been picked, order has been delivered. So we are getting error in this line. So let me fix that. Why are we getting error? So total amount, then and we are getting previous earnings dot to string, and here we wrote previous rider earnings. So we can fix that in the next video. So we added some print statement like previous rider earnings and delivery charge amount. So we are getting this previous rider earnings to be null. So what we can do, we can go to our home screen, and here we can add a new function. So let's go to home screen and add two new functions called rider get rider previous earnings, and another one is get parcel delivery charge amount. So in our home global.dart we can change this to per parcel delivery charge amount, and we are already getting error here, so we can write amount and amount here. and here also we need to write amount. So go to home screen and write firebase firestore dot instance dot collection riders dot doc shared preferences dot get string uid dot get dot then snap previous rider earnings equals to snap dot data earnings dot to string, and then in the similar manner we can write or we can skip this one. So let's call this function in our init state, and now let's run our app. So not yet delivered, then click here, then confirm to deliver this parcel. Order has been delivered, and we can see we no longer see in our to be delivered item. So now we need to create earnings and history screen, which we will do in the next video.